Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another week. My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of the weekly reviews and the forecast at the early of the week like usual we have been doing. Alright, so now I will actually like to stretch out with you some of the major events that will be taking place within this week and how we're going to position ourselves. The market is being whipshawed between the hopes of successful vaccination against the coronavirus and fears over a surge in cases across the United States and the prospect of stricter containment measures. That dynamic is likely to continue to dictate market sentiment in the coming week, with investors caught in a push-pull between growth and value stocks. Market watchers will also be closely watching some big names such as retail sales earning this week. Let's just see over here in the economic calendar. Some of the major economical events that we will be looking into this week are going to be wait a moment. Alright, we will be looking into Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe speaks. Then we'll be also looking into Reserve Bank Australia meeting minutes. Then we're going to look into Bank of England Bailey speaks, retail sales from US, industrial production, as well as we will be looking into more data from the England, which is retail index, also producer price index, consumer price index. Then from the Eurozone, we're going to look into the CPI, harmonized CPI finally, and year on year, right? So, and the most important one is the Bank of Canada Consumer Price Index, which is expected to that they have gained momentum compared to the other economies, right? So this will make the Canadian dollar stronger. Then we also have got unemployment rate coming up from the Australia, changing the number of employed people, all related to employment. And on Friday, on Thursday we have got initial jobless claims as well as existing home sales, and then on Friday we have got retail sales coming out from Canada. The number of new cases across the US, which actually rose on Friday to a daily record of over 177,000, the fourth straight day on all-time high that was actually set. So according to a Reuters tally of figures from US public health agencies, the number of COVID patients in US hospitals rose to an all-time high of about 68,000 on Friday, right? So you see, there is a value versus the growth. Investors are suddenly more optimistic on the global economic outlook after upbeat news on Pfizer vaccine, which we saw early last week, right? So the vaccine breakthrough, ignited a rally in shares of energy companies, bank industrials, and other value stocks, usually defined as stocks that trade at discounts to their projected worth. At the same time, we have investors book profit in technology stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, right, Apple, which have benefited from a stay-at-home environment. We also saw a great rise in Sony as well. But investors' optimism may be overdone, right? Particularly as Fed officials has been warning about the potential damage rising virus cases could do to the economy, right? So investors may also be underestimating the amount of time it might take to distribute the particular vaccine, which we see that will be a great breakthrough for the market, right? Now, basing on the price action analysis, we saw that Dow 30 is jumping up. Now what I see from here, looking at the current pattern, it did broke this particular resistance, right? Now, and I see that this week Dow will be going up further. That's our forecast for this week, right? For Dow Jones Industrial Average to climb higher, it has broken this pre-COVID levels, from where market actually dropped all the way down, right? So basing on the current price action, that's what I see right now, is this week is gonna be a more bullish momentum coming in force that will be pushing this to the upside. All right. However, any further changes or any indications, we will be posting or discussing with you during our London session that's gonna be taking place tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and Thursday. Right, so keep yourself free during London session. We will be scanning the markets together to find the more opportunities to help you all make some profit from the market. We had a posted signal on Boeing last week. As you could see here, it jumped up, and I see that this week it is going to break this particular zone as well. right? Demand of flying will come back once the vaccination is officially ready, but we are seeing some development getting involved from there. All right, so we also had other currency pairs which we will be looking into. Let's just say for Euro USD, of course we will see they all are ranging now. November, December is the time for market to range. However, like I mentioned earlier, we will be doing analysis tomorrow onwards, but as for now what I see is that we will expect Dow 30 to go up, and we're gonna expect let's just say for dollar to be a little bit more weakening, right? At the same time, we will be seeing more development on the stocks like Tesla, Visa, right, which actually bounced up. And yeah, Bitcoin is the golden story of this quarter, because you see it keep climbing up, and we see that there is more future growth coming up. Anyways, we will be doing our analysis tomorrow onwards during our London session, whereby we will be helping you to find some intraday setups to get some nice positions to make profit from there, right? So as for now guys, I would like to wish you a great trading week, a great profitable week. For now, I will be signing off, and I'll be back tomorrow. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and do let us know if you need any support from our managers. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Great weekend to great week to all of you, and have a more profitable trading week. Bye bye.